Dear students, in the previous video we learned about circles definition, circle definition, various forms and some important notes. Okay, so and also we solved exercise 1A first bit problems in another video. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn exercise 1A second bit problems. Okay, so which are very important for 7 marks of IPE examination. So this total page number 23 of Telugu Academy textbook is very important. Okay, so compulsory you may get 7 marks question from this page or related examples. Otherwise if you will not get any problem from exercise page number 23, you may get a related problem from examples. Okay, so learn the things carefully, right, which is very important for annual examination of IPE for 7 marks, right? Okay, so first bit, in second bit first problem, if the abscissa of points A, B are the roots of the equation x square plus 2ax minus b square is equal to 0 and ordinates of A, B are roots of y square plus 2py minus q square is equal to 0, then find the equation of a circle for which AB is a diameter. Okay, right. So before going to solve this problem, first what is given here? AB is a diameter. So let A is x1 y1 and B is x2 y2. So here x1 and x2 are called as abscissa. Okay, so abscissa of points AB means AB abscissa are x1 and x2 are the roots of this equation. x1 x2 are the roots of this equation and ordinates y1 y2, ordinates of AB means y1 y2 are the roots of this equation. Okay, so recall the previous knowledge, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation with the roots alpha and beta. So then sum of the roots is alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a and product of the roots is alpha beta is equal to c by a. Okay, so we will use those conditions. Equation of the circle with a x1 y1 b x2 y2 are endpoints of diameter. So what is the equation? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equals to 0, right? So if we multiply x into x, x square minus x x2 minus x x1 plus x1 x2, minus into minus plus y into y square minus y y2 minus y y1 plus y1 y2 is equals to 0. So here x square plus y square, and these two minus x is common, what is remaining? x1 plus x2. In these two minus y is common, what is remaining? y1 plus y2. So finally x1 x2 y1 y2 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Okay, now it is given, what is given? Abscissa means x1 x2 are roots of equation x square plus 2ax minus b square is equal to 0. So from this, what are the sum of the roots? Means x1 x2 are roots, right? So sum of the roots means x1 plus x2, sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a, that means minus 2a by 1, number 2. Next, product of the roots x1 x2 is equal c by a, c by a means c means minus b square by a 1, this is number 3. Okay, similarly one more condition, ordinates of AB, that means y1 y2 y1 y2 are roots of equation y square plus 2py minus q square is equals to 0. Here as y1 and y2 are roots, then sum of the roots y1 plus y2 is equal to minus b by a, that is minus 2p by 1, 4, and y1 y2 product of the roots is equals to minus q square by 1. This is equation number 5. So now we got x1 plus x2, x1 x2, y1 plus y2, y1 y2. Substitute all those values in equation number 1. Substitute 2, 3, 4, 5 in 1. So then we get, what we will get? Then equation of circle. What is that? X square plus y square minus x into x1 plus x2 minus 2a minus y into y1 plus y2 minus 2p plus x1 x2 minus b square plus y1 y2 minus q square is equals to 0. So finally the equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2py minus b square minus q square is equal to 0. So this is required equation of the circle. Okay, so read the problem carefully, what is given and what we should do. Okay, so that things you should understand. You should understand, then you can solve the problem easily. So this is the equation of the circle with diameter form, and these are sum of the roots, product of the roots concept, and substitute, then you will get the answer. Second problem, show that a 3 comma minus 1 lies on the circle. First of all, we should show a 3 comma minus 1 is lies on this circle. Also find the other end of the diameter through a. So through a, I drawn a diameter, so we should find the other end of the diameter. Okay, so first of all, what is given circle? Given equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. So first of all, we should show this point lies on the circle. That means we should substitute this point in the equation of the circle. It should satisfy. Okay, so a 3 comma minus 1 in 1. So then what is left hand side? 3 square, x square means 3 square, y square minus 1 square minus 2 into 3 plus 4 into minus 1. 3 square 9, 1 square 1, minus 1 square 1, 2 3 6 minus 4. So 10 minus 10 0, which is equal to RHS. So this point satisfies equation number 1. Therefore a 3 comma minus 1 lies on given circle. Okay, one condition proved. Now this is the one end of the diameter. We should find another end of the diameter. How can we find? So first we should find center of the circle. Okay, so if we find center of the circle, then C is the midpoint of AB, right? So which you learn in 10th class coordinate geometry. So C is the center of these 2 points. Then by using midpoint formula we can find this B. Okay, that is the concept. Now compare x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 0 with general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So 2g is equal to minus 2 and 2f is equals to 4. G minus 1, 2 cancel, f is equal to 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. So therefore center formula is minus g comma minus f, right? So g minus 1, then minus g is 1. F is equal to 2, then minus f is equal to minus 2. So this is the center of the circle, that is 1 comma minus 2. Okay, so now midpoint of AB is equal to C. Midpoint of AB is C, means AB diameter passes through the center. Center is the midpoint of the diameter. So what is the midpoint of the diameter? Let be x comma y, then x1 plus x2 by 2 means x plus 3 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2 means 3 plus x by 2, or that one. Next, y plus minus 1 by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, which is equal to C. C value 1 comma minus 2. Now compare. So compare x component and y components. So x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 1. From this, x plus 3 is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 minus 3, x is equal to minus 1. Next, compare these two also, plus into minus, minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 2, minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4, plus 1, y is equal to minus 3. So therefore other end B is minus 1 comma minus 3. So like this we can solve this problem. So read the problem carefully, understand the concept and draw the related figure, then we can solve. Next, second problem, show that a minus 3 comma 0 lies on the circle x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0. Also find the other end of the diameter through A. So similar problem to previous one. So solve yourself and check the answer. Answer is minus 5 comma minus 12. Next important problem. Find the equation of a circle which passes through 2 comma minus 3 and minus 4 comma 5 and having center on 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. So one point is 2 comma, this is the circle which is passing through 2 comma minus 3, center is minus g comma minus f, this is the diameter. Okay, 2 comma minus 3 is the one point, and this is minus 4 comma 5, it lies somewhere here or here or here, but luckily this is the another end of the diameter only for this problem, not for next problem. So this is these two are the end points of the diameter. Okay, actually how to solve this problem? How can we solve this problem? First, what is the general equation of the circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. In that there are three constants g, f, c, three constants. Okay, so three constants means we should have to find the GFC values, we should have three conditions. We should have three conditions. Okay, so one condition is 1 point, second condition is second point, third condition is center lies on the diameter, this line. Okay, so these are the three conditions. Okay, so by using these three conditions we will get three equations. So after solving those three equations we will get equation of the circle, right? This is the way of solving this problem. First, general equation of circle. What is the general equation of the circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Equation number 1. Now first, 2 comma minus 3 lies on 1, so therefore substitute. That means 2 square, substitute this point, minus 3 square, 2g into 2, 2f into minus 3 plus c is equal to 0. 2 square 4, 9, 4g 6f plus c is equal to 0. So finally 413 plus 4g minus 6f plus c is equal to minus 13. Equation number 2. Okay, so I substituted this point. Y means this point lies on the circle, right? So substituted in general equation, then we will get one equation in terms of g f c. Next substitute another point, minus 4 comma y lies on this circle equation. So minus 4 square plus 5 square 2g into minus 4 2f into 5 plus c is equal to 0. Minus 4 square 16 plus 25 minus 8g plus 10f plus c is equals to 0. So finally minus 8g 10f plus c is equal to minus 41. Equation number 3. Next, center. What is center here? Minus g comma minus f. Equation for general equation, the center is minus g comma minus f. We don't know. The center lies on this equation, lies on the line 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0, which is a diameter. Okay, now center lies on this means, so this should this equation satisfies this one, this point satisfies this equation. 4 into minus g 3 into minus f plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 4g minus 3f plus 1 is equal to 0. Equation number 4. Okay, so what is the second equation? 4g minus 6f plus c is equal to minus 13. This is the second equation. Next, minus 8g plus 10f plus c is equal to minus 41. Equation number 3. Minus 4g minus 3f plus 1 is equal to 0. Equation number 4. Okay, so these equations we got. Now solve these two equations. C will gets cancelled. You will get an equation in terms of GF. Then again solve with 4. First solve 2 and 3. 2 and 3. How? 4g minus 6f plus c is equal to minus 13. Solving is very important. Minus 41 plus minus plus. Here I am subtracting, so symbols will be changed. 4g plus 8g, here minus become plus, right? So plus 8g plus 4g 12g. Minus 10f minus 6f minus 16f. 41 minus 13. 41 minus 13 28. Okay, so if we cut with 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 7s are 28. This is equation number 5. Now this is equation number 5, this is equation number 4, right? So solve 4 and 5, but here we have 3 and here we have 4. Okay, solve 4 and 5. How? Multiply equation 4 with this coefficient, means 3, and multiply 5 with that coefficient. So here I am equating g coefficients. Now equation 4 with 3. 3 4s minus 12g, 3 3s are minus 9f plus 3 is equal 3 into 0 0. Next equation 5 with 4. 4 3s are 12g, 4 4s are 16f, minus 7 is equal to 0. This is minus 7 is equal to 0, or here this is minus 4g minus 3f is equals to minus 1. So is equal to minus 3. Okay, so is equal to 4 7s are 28. Now here minus 12g, here plus 12g, both gets cancelled. So here I am adding minus 16 minus 9 minus 25f, 28 minus 3 25. So 25 cancel. So f is equals to minus 1. Now we got f value. Substitute this f is equal to minus 1 in one of these two equations, 4 or 5. So I am substituting in 4. Minus 4g minus 3 into f means minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Minus 4g is equal to minus 1. Minus into minus plus 3. Plus 3 become minus 3. So minus 4g is equal to minus 4. Minus 4 cancel, g is equal to 1. So we got g value and f value. So we should get c value also. So here in these two equations, these two contains gfc. So substitute g f in 2 or 3. I am substituting in 2. 4 into g 1 minus 6 into f minus 1 plus c is equal to minus 13. 4 plus 6 plus c is equal to minus 13. C is equal to minus 13 minus 10. C is equal to minus 23. So we got GFC value. So substitute G1 F minus 1 C minus 23 in general equation, first equation. So x square plus y square plus 2gx 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So finally x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y minus 23 is equal to 0 is the equation of the required circle. Okay, so in EAMCET question, if this question asked in EAMCET, then this is the one of the options how to do this problem. Just simply substitute given points in all options. Only one option will satisfy those 2 points. So this option will satisfy these 2 points. So this is, therefore this is the answer, required answer. Okay, so this problem can be solved by using another method also. So that is, given points here 2 comma minus 3 and minus 4 comma 5 are 2 given points. So 2 comma minus 3 substitute in 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Then 4 into 2, 3 into minus 3 plus 1, 4 to the 8 minus 9 plus 1 which is equal to 0, and substitute another point in diameter equation. So 4 into minus 4 plus 3 into 5 plus 1 which is equal to minus 16 plus 15 plus 1 which is equal to 0. So here the observation is these 2 points are satisfying this line. When these 2 points satisfy this line, if they are the end points of the diameter. So if A is here and B is somewhere here. Okay, so for next problem, similar problems I am going to give the next problem. So in that one, B is not here, B is somewhere on the circle. So B does not satisfies this given line. Then we should follow previous method. So here A, B both are satisfying this one, therefore they are end points of the diameter. Therefore we can solve by using x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equals to 0. So substitute this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2, then you will get same answer. Okay, so this is second method, simple method. Next, fourth problem, similar to third problem. Find the equation of a circle which passes through 4 comma 1 and 6 comma 5 and having center on 4x plus 3y minus 24 is equal to 0. In the previous problem, those 2 points are end points of given line, but here these 2 points not satisfies this line equation, therefore they are somewhere on the circle. So A here, B here. Okay, so substitute A point in general equation, B point, and substitute minus g comma minus f in on the line. Okay, so then solve those three equations, you will get equation of the circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 is equals to 0. Fifth problem, find the equation of the circle which is concentric with the circle and passing through minus 2 comma 14. Here we have two circles with the same center. Those type of circles are called as concentric circles. Okay, so one circle is this one, and we should find the another circle equation which is passing through minus 2 comma 14. So this problem also can be done by using two methods. So first one is, two circles are concentric circles and they are differ with a constant. So given circle is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0, and other concentric circle equation of other concentric circle is what? X square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus k is equal to 0. These two, if two circles are concentric circles, then these total terms are same except constant. Okay, now we should find this k value. Okay, so for that one condition is given on required circle minus 2 comma 14 is there. So minus 2 comma 14 lies, this is required circle, right, on 2. So substitute this one, minus 2 square plus 14 square minus 6 into minus 2 minus 4 into 14 plus k is equals to 0. 4 196 plus 12 56 plus k is equals to 0. So 196 plus 4 200 minus 44, 200 minus 44 156. So k plus 156 is equal to 0, k is equal to minus 156. Substituting this one, therefore x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 156 is equal to 0 is the required circle. This is one method, and next method 2 is, this is the circle. So 2g minus 6, g is equal to minus 3, 2f minus 4, f is equal to minus 2. Therefore center minus g comma minus f. Minus g means 3, minus f means 2, right? So now we should find the equation of the circle. We got center from outer circle and inner circle, both are having same centers. So from outer circle we got center, so we should find the equation of the inner circle, right? So we have center and point, we can find the radius and the center. So by using radius and center, x minus h whole square y minus k whole square is equal to r square formula, by using that formula we can find the equation of this circle. Okay, right. Sixth problem, find the equation of the circle whose center lies on the x-axis. Center lies on the x-axis means that is minus g comma 0. Y means on x-axis y coordinate is 0, right? And also this circle is passing through 4 comma 5 in first quadrant, minus 2 comma 3 from second quadrant. Okay, so 3 conditions given, 2 points given, and 1 condition on center given. Okay, so first of all, equation of circle whose center lies on x-axis. So this is the condition, right? So the equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c is equal to 0, since f is equal to 0. Y means center lies on x-axis. We got f value indirectly. Okay, so this is equation number 1. Now 4, 5 lies on first minus 2, 3. Okay, 4, 5 lies on 1. Substitute 4 square, 5 square, 2g into 4 plus c is equal to 0. 16 plus 25 plus 8g plus c is equal to 0. 8g plus c is equal to minus 41. Equation number 2. Next, b minus 2, 3. Second point, substituting second point in this equation. So substituting and solving is very important. 2g into minus 2 plus c is equal to 0. 4 plus 9 minus 4g plus c is equal to 0. Minus 4g plus c is equal to minus 13. Equation number 3. Okay, so now solve 2 and 3. How? 8g plus c is equal to minus 41. Minus 4g plus c is equal to minus 13. Subtracting, c gets cancelled. 12g is equal to 11 minus 3, 8. 3 minus 1, 2. Minus 28. So g is equal to minus 28 by 12. 4 3s are 4 7s are. So g is equal to minus 7 by 3 in 2. Substitute in 2 or 3. Okay, so I am substituting in 2. Then 8g, 8 into minus 7 by 3 plus c is equal to minus 41. C is equal to minus 41 plus 8 7 the 56 by 3. 3 LCM 123 plus 56. This is 13. 13 minus 6, 7. 11 minus 5, 6. Minus 67 by 3. So we got g value minus 7 by 3 and c value minus 67 by 3. Now substitute g minus 7 by 3, c minus 67 by 3 in 1. You will get x square plus y square plus 2g x plus c is equal to 0. 3 LCM. Otherwise multiply total terms with 3. You will get 3x square plus 3y square minus 2 7s are 14x minus 67 is equal to 0. This is the equation of circle with 3 conditions. One is center lies on x-axis. From that you will get f value as 0 and substitute remaining 2 points on in the circle equation. You will get the required equation of the circle. Last problem in second bit. If ABCD is a square, then show that the points ABCD are concyclic. First of all, what is the meaning of concyclic? So these are I am taking for to solve the problem in easy way. I am taking one point of the square is origin, and let us take this point as k, 0, and then this point is 0, k, and this point is OABC. This point is k, k. So let us take the point, distance is k. So concyclic means circle passes through all 4 vertices of the quadrilateral, all 4 vertices of the square, then this square is called as concyclic. These 4 points lies on one circle, so those are called as concyclic. So to find the equation of the circle, we need only 3 points. These 3 points are enough. So by using these 3 points, we can find the equation of the circle, and in that circle equation, substitute the 4th point. So the 4th point also satisfies that equation. Then we can say that these 4 points lies on same circle. Okay. So first of all, general equation of circle. What is general equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So first substitute origin 1. Okay, so 0 square plus 0 square plus 0 plus 0 plus c is equal to 0. Then c value becomes 0. Already we have one note in first video. So if a circle is passing through origin, automatically c value becomes 0. Next substitute k comma 0 in 1. That is k square g square 2gk 2f0 plus c value. Already just now we got c is equal to 0, right? So k square plus 2gk is equal to 0. 2gk is equal to minus k square. So g is equal to minus k by 2. So next c value 0 comma k in 1. Similarly, we get f is equal to minus k by 2. So now substitute g, f, c values in 1. You will get x square plus y square plus 2g x 2f y plus 0 is equal to 0. So finally, equation of the circle. What is the equation of the circle? X square plus y square minus kx minus ky is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Now substitute b k comma k into, then what is left hand side? K square minus k into k minus k into k, k into k, k square, k into k, k square, all gets cancelled. Answer 0, which is equal to RHS. Therefore B, A, B, C, D lies on same circle. Therefore A, B, C, D are concyclic. Okay, in this way we can prove that. Show that here I am solving a third bit last 6, 7 problems. Show that the locus of the point of intersection of these two lines is a circle. Simple problem. So locus, let Px1 y1 be a point on locus, right? So obviously it satisfies first one and second one. Okay, so here show that the locus of the point of intersection of these two lines. So we should solve these two equations, and that locus is a circle. Okay, so to here I am going to eliminate alpha, but for that I am doing 1 square plus 2 square. This is important condition here. 1 square means x1 cos alpha plus y1 sin alpha whole square, plus 2 square means x1 sin alpha minus y1 cos alpha whole square. On the right hand side we have a square plus b square, just squaring and adding, that's it to solve that way. So a plus b whole square, x1 square cos square alpha y1 square sin square alpha plus 2x1 y1 cos alpha sin alpha. Okay, for this x1 square sin square alpha y1 square cos square alpha, here my a minus b whole square, right? 2x1 y1 sin alpha cos alpha is equal to a square plus b square. 2x1 sin alpha cancel, here x1 square taking common, we will get cos square alpha plus sin square alpha in these two, and in these two y1 square is taking common, we will get sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to a square plus b square. So this is 1, right? So x1 square plus y1 square is equal to a square plus b square, which is required. Therefore locus is a circle. This is the equation of the circle, right? X square plus y square is equal to a square type, under root of a square plus b square whole square. X square plus y square is equal to r square type. This is of the form x square plus y square is equal to r square, so which represents a circle. Last problem, show that the locus of a point such that the ratio of distance of it from two given points is a constant k which is not equal to plus or minus 1 is a circle. So let us take px1 y1 be a point on locus, right? Next, let 2 points, 2 given points, so take any 2 points, a comma b, c comma d, or p comma q, r comma s, like that. Take any 2 points. Here to easy calculation purpose I am taking one is a comma 0 and another one is 0 comma b. A comma 0 and 0 comma b are 2 points. What is the given condition? The ratio of the distances, that means PA by PB is equals to K. That is the condition. Condition is very, very important. Now PA square, squaring on both sides, which is equal to K square PB square. Okay, so PA distance formula, square means square root will gets cancelled, otherwise right one. PA x1 minus a whole square y1 minus 0 whole square, k square into x1 minus 0 whole square y1 minus b whole square, square root cancel. Now x1 square minus 2a x1 plus a square plus y1 square, k square into x1 square plus y1 square minus 2by1 plus b square. Okay, now bring all these terms to the right side. K square x1 square, k square y1 square minus 2b k square y1 plus k square b square minus x1 square plus 2a x1 minus a square minus y1 square is equals to 0. So here x1 square common, k square minus 1 in these two. Next y1 square common, k square minus 1, these two. Next plus 2a x1 minus 2b k square y1. What is the constant here? K square b square minus a square is equal to 0. So here these two are equal. This is the equation of the circle, which is a circle, right? X square plus y square, x square plus y square plus 2a by, I am dividing all terms with k square minus 1 into x, 2b k square by k square minus 1 into y plus k square b square minus a square by k square minus 1, which is equal to 0. So as this is the equation of the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2ay plus c is equal to 0, which is a circle where denominator k square minus 1 not equal to 0, k square not equal to 1, k not equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, so these are the two problems about locus, right? So students, solve these problems and revise these problems. So these are the problems related to exercise 1a second bit problems. Okay, solve related example problems also. Okay, in the next video I am going to explain about very important bit, that is third bit, finding equation of the circle when 3 points are given. Okay, right. Thank you.